ਕੁਝ ਸਮਾਂ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ਰਵਣ ਕਰਨਾ ਜੀ। Today's Hukamnama is a blessing from Sachkhand Shri Harmandir Sahib in Raag Suhi. Raag Suhi provides the devotional mood. Tan Tan Guru Ramdas Ji Maharaj, the fourth emperor, Sache Padshah, in today's Hukamnama provides us with the enlightenment. How we can lead a life of bliss. Everyone wants to be happy. I haven't seen or come across anyone who is asking for pain in their life or misery in their life. Sare sukh mangde. Everyone is asking for peace. Guru Maharaj gives us the clue. Jo sukh ko chahe sada, sharan Ram ki le. If you want sukh, if you want peace in your life, come into the sanctuary of the Almighty Lord, the Creator. Aaja phir. Sharan kitna lani hai? In today's Hukamnama, Guru Maharaj reveals the significance of Sadh Sangat, being in the association of the true saints. In Sadguru's eye, anyone who comes to the Gurdwara is stepping towards being a sant. But Guru Maharaj gives so much honor to everyone, addressing everyone in the Sadh Sangat. No matter what class, what color, what background. People like Bhai Bidhi Chand, who was a thief. When he came to the Sangat of Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, he became a saintly person. This is the vadayai, this is the glory Guru gives us. Aavo Sant Jano, oh holy people, come along. Gun gawe Govind kere Ram. Let's come together and chant the glorious praises of the Almighty God, cherisher of the universe, Govind. I just want to highlight word Govind is pronounced in two ways. In some places in the Gurbani, it is pronounced as Govind. So middle word is Baba. But in some places it's Baba, Gobind. The meaning is exactly the same. So you need to be a bit careful. In today's Hukamnama, it is Govind with Baba. Avo Sant Jano Gun Gavai Govind Kere Ram. Gurmukh mil rahi hai, Kar vajaye shabad kanere Ram. The holy company is very, very important. People who are one with Vaheguru. Jin prabh apna, jin jan apna prabhu pachata. So jan sarv thok ka data. Those who have realized their Vaheguru, they are owner of everything. They can bless you with anything. Jin jan apna prabhu pachata. So jan sarv thok ka data. Tiski sharan sarv sukh pavo. When you come into the company of those people who have realized Vaheguru, you will obtain peace. Their fragrance, their aura, you will absorb, provided you are humble. You are not there to challenge them, because Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj was challenged by his own sons. They could not absorb the goodness, the divine virtues of Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. They were in ego. So ego is, it's a hard shell that stops the blessing from Vaheguru. Come to the Sadh Sangat with humility. Now those who are inspiring others to meditate on Vaheguru, do the social services, help people to engage in the seva of the humanity, selfless service of the humanity, they get benefited. Bhai Gurdas Ji reveals in the Gurbani, जैसे सत मंदर कंचन के उसार दी, तैसो पुन सिख को एक शब्द सिखाएगा. You may donate 7 mansions made of gold. That donation is nothing compared to if you can teach someone one Shabad of Gurbani. You can't compare it. That's the best thing you can do. So if you are inspiring people to come to the Sath Sangat, chant Vaheguru's praises, do the humanitarian work, you get benefited, you get more blessing. But if you are not on the path and you come to the Sath Sangat, it's like you, a dry wood, being in the company of sandalwood trees. The fragrance of sandalwood trees will make you fragrant. You will become valuable. So this is the benefit of Satsangat. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, when he went to the Sumer Parbat to meet the yogis were absolutely shocked. They asked Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, how did you come to the Sumer Parbat? We can't believe it. Because it's surrounded by the water. No one can come there except if you have the miraculous powers, the Riddhiya Siddhiya. Guru Nanak Dev Ji replied, Gurbani Sangat Bina Duji Ot Nahi Hai Rai. I have obtained the power from the Gurbani and the Sangat. So Gurbani and Sangat, the holy company, is very, very important. Tan Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib's Bani is the supreme, which can help you to obtain the supreme status, Param Pad. So Guru Maharaj talks about the different divine melodies which will play within your mind. Gurmukh mil rahi hai, ghar vajai shabad kanere ram. Kanere means countless. Countless melodies will play within your mind and you will remain in bliss, always joyful. What are those shabads? In Anand Sahib Bani, Guru Maharaj describes Vajje Panch Shabad Tit Kar Sabage. Kar Sabage Shabad Vajje Kala Jit Kar Dhariya Panch Doot Tud Vas Kite Kal Kantak Mare. What makes anyone miserable is Panch Doot, the 5 demons, the lust, anger, greed, attachment and pride. The way to bring them under control is Vajje Panch Shabad, 5 melodies. And those 5 melodies are compassion, righteousness, truthfulness, contentment and the divine wisdom. So you can have sanjam in your life. Daya, Dharam, Sat, Santo, Gyan. These melodies, they define your character. So if there is a melody of Sat resounding within you, you will always follow truth. If there is a melody of compassion, you will always be compassionate. Like Bhai Kanhaiya Ji. There's so many examples, like our Gurus. So Guru Maharaj reveals, once you start meditating on Akal Purakh Vaheguru, who is compassionate, who is full of love and compassion, you will become like Vaheguru. Jin har sevya mera har ji, te har har roop samasi. So Guru Maharaj reveals that what is coming in the way is अंतरै होमै ममता काम क्रोध चतुराई राम. Ego, mamta is attachment, moh, काम is lust, worldly desires, krodh is anger, chaturai means cleverness. We bow to Guru Granth Sahib, but we refuse to follow. On weddings, for example, people serve alcohol against the hukam and code of conduct of Guru Granth Sahib Maharaj. Why? They are worried about people. What will Rishtedar, our relative, would say if we don't serve alcohol? But Guru Maharaj reveals the only way you can emancipate and liberate yourself is Satgur Pae Chalo Jeevtya Iv Mariye Ram. This world is like a very, very treacherous ocean, difficult to swim across. The way you can swim across is remain dead whilst you are alive. Jeevtya iv mariyana. Marero means no matter what people say, you are 100% going to follow Guru's hukam. This is the way. So then Guru Maharaj blesses all of us. Mat pragash bhai man manya, Ram naam vadhyai, Nanak prabh paya, Shabad milaya, Jyoti jyot milaya. Jyoti means light. Our light merges with the supreme light. Akal Purakh Vaheguru. How? Nanak prabh paya, Shabad milaya. Shabad has Sihari on the Dadda, which means by Shabad, through the Shabad, by merging conscious into the Shabad, by connecting our soul into the Shabad Omkar. Omkar is explained in 1430 pages of Guru Granth Sahib Maharaj. But there is only one Shabad. That Shabad Vaheguru used to create the creation and is using to manage the creation. Guru Maharaj describes in Bani, Utpat parlo shabde hoi, shabde hi fir upat hoi. Creation and destruction is caused through the Shabad, Omkar. It's so powerful. Guru Maharaj has described the meaning, essence of Omkar in Guru Granth Sahib Bani, which has 1430 angs. And it's taken so long to describe because Guru Maharaj has explained the meaning of Omkar in different ways. Different people have different understanding. So Guru Maharaj is blessing us all through the Shabad. By meditating on Omkar, our light merges with light. Jyoti Jyot release Sampuran Thiya Ram, and we become perfect beings like Vaheguru. Pula Chakka di maafi, pyar na fateh sanji karni ji. Vaheguru ji ka khalsa, Vaheguru ji ki fateh.